Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your OnePlus Nord CE 5. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. It's very important to use a soft brush and not something that is metallic. You can only damage the port and it will be way worse, or it will be completely damaged. So ignore all the metallic tools, use something soft like a brush, and then you guys can easily open the phone and then test if it works in the recorder app. So the recorder app by default is in the OnePlus folder. As you guys can see, the recorder. Let's quickly give permissions. And as you guys can see, now we need to allow recorder to record the audio. And as you guys can see, now it's basically recording. So here you guys will be able to check if the microphone is working. Now after that, what you guys can do is update your software to the latest version to fix any microphone glitches. They can, like the old software can cause a lot of glitches, including the microphone not working. So you want to update your software as soon as there's an update available. So let's scroll down and let's click on System and Update. Here click on Software Update. And now check if you have the latest version of the Oxygen OS. As you guys can see, I run the latest version already. But if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It can fix a lot of glitches, including the microphone not working. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.